Stop hoping people message you. Start building a lead system. Real talk. Most people online are not failing because they're not good. They're failing because they're waiting for likes, waiting for messages, waiting for someone magically notice them. But real income doesn't come from hoping. It comes from having a daily system. That's why I don't cold message people. I don't chase. I don't beg. I post value. I talk about real problems, even if you're working full-time like me, from dental assistant to digital business owner, all because I stopped hoping and started using a system. Most people don't need more motivation. They need a system, a simple way to show up, share value, invite people, and start conversation. That's how I'm building my business online, without cold messaging and without burnout. Comment start and I'll send you the exact simple method I use to get daily leads. Be inspired and God bless.